Namaste. Welcome to first PU Maths online class. We were discussing about graph of trigonometric functions. First one is discussed in the last class. Let us continue today. Graph of trigonometric function. Which one is done? Sin x graph is discussed in the last class, correct? What is the domain of sin x? Domain of sin x is set of all real numbers. What is the range? Range of sin x is -1 to +1, where both are including. So range of sin x is -1 to 1. Okay. This one we have discussed in the last class. Now let us discuss the trigonometric graph of trigonometric function. Second one, that is cos x. Here we have, let us take y is equal to cos x. Second one cos x, okay, or we can write f of x as cos x. Function can be written as cos x. First one is sin x, that is discussed in the last class. Okay. Now I will write standard values table to draw the graph. Okay. X and y value 0. First quadrant 0 to pi by 2. Second one pi by 2 to pi. Third one pi to 3 pi by 2. Then 3 pi by 2 to 2 pi. If you want, you can write pi by 6, pi by 4, pi by 3, all the values. But to draw the graph, this is enough. Okay. What is the value of cos 0 now? Cos 0 is 1. Cos 90, 0. Cos pi, -1. Cos 3 pi by 2, 0. Cos 2 pi. Cos 2 pi is 1. Okay. Let us draw the graph. X-axis, y-axis. On the x-axis, we can take here real numbers and radian values are one and the same. So we can take radian values. Andre x value 0, pi by 2, pi, 3 pi by 2, 2 pi. Okay. We need real numbers, so take 1, -1. Okay. Here negative values, minus pi by 2, minus pi, -3 pi by 2, -2 pi. For cos 0, what is the value? Cos 0 is 1. What is cos 90 degree? Cos 90 degree, that is cos pi by 2 is 0. Okay, 0. Now that means value of cos x decreases from 1 to 0. Now cos pi value is -1, again decreases from 0 to -1, then 3 pi by 2. Cos 3 pi by 2 is 0, that goes from or increases from -1 to 0, then 2 pi, that is 1, again increases from 0 to 1. Now minus pi by 2, what is the value here? Minus pi by 2 ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ negative. Okay, it comes here 0 to minus pi by 2. So what is the value here? Cos of minus pi by 2. Here cos of pi by 2. Cos pi by 2 is 0. So here cos pi by 2 or minus pi by 2, 0. Cos of minus pi is minus 1. Okay, same value repeats. Draw positive side, same one repeats in the negative side also. Join now. Cos 0 is 1. In the first quadrant it decreases from 1 to 0. Okay, again decreases from 0 to minus 1. Increases from minus 1 to 0. Again increases from 0 to 1. It continues like this. Next Punah. Next one. Next again first quadrant, so decreases like this. Graph goes. Here decreases from 1 to 0. Okay. Decreases from 1 to 0. Again here 3 pi by 2, 0. Like that. This is the graph of cos x. Now we need a domain and range. What is the domain here? Can you say the domain of the function? What is the domain of cos x? Domain of cos x is, see, on x-axis we can take any value. For any value function is defined. So domain is set of all real numbers. What is the range of the function? Remember this domain and range. That is important. Domain we have to see x-axis. Andre yava value hakidre function is defined. That is the domain of the function. Here we can put any value. Okay, we can put any value for x, so that the function is defined here. So domain of the function is set of all real numbers. What about the range of the function? What is the minimum or what is the least value in the graph? See, minus 1 is the least value. No value or graph is not below minus 1. Correct? So minus 1 is including here. So closed interval minus 1. What is the highest value? Highest value is 1. No value greater than 1 for any value of x. So minus 1 to 1 where both are including. So we have to put closed interval. Okay, this is the graph of cos x. Domain is set of all real numbers and range is minus 1 to 1. Okay. Let us discuss third one, that is tan x. We can write y is equal to tan x, or we can write it as f of x as tan x. It can be written as, what is tan x? Tan x can be defined as sin x divided by cos x. If you know the value of tan x directly, we can do the standard value table. X and y value 0, first quadrant 0 to pi by 2, pi by 2 to pi second quadrant, pi to 3 pi by 2 third quadrant, then 3 pi by 2 to 2 pi, that is the fourth quadrant. Now let us write the values. Value of tan 0. What is the value of tan 0? Sin 0 is 0. 0 by any value, that is 0. Tan 0 is 0. Tan pi by 2. Sin 90 degrees 1. Cos 90 degree we have, that is 0. Correct? So 1 by 0 is not defined. It may be plus infinity or minus infinity. What is tan pi? Sin pi is 0, so value is 0. Tan 3 pi by 2. Tan 3 pi by 2, for any odd multiple of pi by 2, cos x is 0, that means cos function is 0. We can see that cos 3 pi by 2 is 0. So sin by 0 means sin 3 pi by 2 value is, what is the value? We have that is minus 1. So divided by 0 means not defined. It may be plus infinity or minus infinity. We have to check the sign in the first quadrant, second quadrant, third quadrant and fourth quadrant. What is the value of tan 2 pi? Sin 2 pi is 0, cos 2 pi is 1, 0 by 1 is 1. Okay, let us draw the graph now. Say tan x x-axis, y-axis 0. Take radian values on x-axis 0, pi by 2, 3 pi by 2, 2 pi. Okay. Negative side minus pi by 2, minus pi, minus 3 pi by 2, minus 2 pi, 1, 2, 3, 4, solve, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, so on. Now, see, if x is 0, here I wrote 0, it is pi by 2, pi, 3 pi by 2, 2 pi, okay. Now, for which value function is not defined? Just see that first. For tan pi by 2 it is not defined, tan 3 pi by 2 not defined. Okay, for that here for tan pi by 2 not defined, so put a dotted line because for this value function is not defined. Okay, one more 3 pi by 2 here. Here also function is not defined. Similarly, minus pi by 2 also, because minus pi by 2 ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರು, we have one cos of minus x is cos x, correct? Sin of minus x is minus sin x. So minus pi by 2 ಹಾಕಿದ್ರೆ, for any value multiple of pi by 2, cos is 0. So something divided by 0 not defined. So for minus pi by 2 also function is not defined. For 3 pi by 2 function is not defined. Put a dotted line because for that particular value function is not defined. Now say for x0, tan 0, here this point origin. Next, for pi by 2 function is not defined, that means we have to put dotted line, okay, because for this value function is not defined. Now we have to check the quadrant. First 0 to pi by 2 means that is the first quadrant. What is the sign of tan x in the first quadrant? See, that one we have discussed in the last class. First quadrant, second quadrant, third quadrant and fourth quadrant. In the first quadrant all are positive, correct? You remember that, right? All are positive. Sine is positive, tan is positive, cos is positive. How can we remember? All students take coffee. Okay? All are positive, sine is positive, tan is positive, cos is positive. Here sine is positive means cos is negative. Here tan is positive, that means both sine and cos are negative. Here cos is positive, that means sine is negative. Okay? Now we are in first quadrant. First quadrant alli 0 to pi by 2 all are positive. Ella value positive. So value here not defined means that goes to highest value, that means up to infinity. So value increases up to infinity because in the first quadrant value is positive. Now come to second quadrant. Pi by 2 it is not defined. What is the value in pi by 2 to pi? Pi by 2 in the pi again here pi we have tan pi is 0 here. Okay, tan pi is 0. In the second quadrant sine is positive, that means cos is negative. Sine positive, cos negative. What about tan? Tan is negative. Correct? Second quadrant only tan is negative. So value increases from minus infinity to 0. Okay? Pi value we have because that is 0. Illige not defined, it may be plus infinity or minus infinity. First quadrant only all are positive, so it goes graph like this. Second quadrant only tan is negative, so graph is increases from 0 to pi. Now check third quadrant. Third quadrant only tan is, in the third quadrant tan is positive, correct? Third quadrant here pi to 3 pi by 2, tan is positive. For this 3 pi by 2 function is not defined, that means it will go up to infinity. It is positive, so value increases from 0 to infinity. Okay? Now fourth quadrant. Fourth quadrant only cos is positive, that means sine is negative. So tan is negative, so it goes from minus infinity to 0. So it goes from minus infinity to 0. Same thing repeats here. For tan minus pi by 2, minus pi by 2 means ಇದು original ಆದರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿಗೆ ಬರೋದು minus pi by 2. That means fourth quadrant, correct? Fourth quadrant means tan is negative, so it goes up to minus infinity. All other values goes like this. Here minus pi by 2 to pi. Minus pi by 2 to pi means third quadrant. In the third quadrant tan is positive, so infinity to 0. Minus pi to 3 pi by 2. Minus pi to 3 pi by 2. Second quadrant tan is negative, so like this. Here just remember the table and quadrant sign of trigonometric functions, means in which quadrant that is positive, in which quadrant that function is negative, like that. Then we can draw the graph. Okay, first we have to draw a dotted line for which value function is not defined. Then using standard values we have to draw. Okay, see, I will repeat. Tan 0 is 0, tan pi by 2 is not defined, but in the first quadrant tan tan is positive, so value increases from 0 to infinity. Second quadrant, pi by 2 to pi, tan is negative, so value comes from minus infinity to 0. Pi to 3 pi by 2, third quadrant. In the third quadrant, tan is positive, so that increases from 0 to infinity. Fourth quadrant negative, so minus infinity to 0. Now, tell me what is the domain of the function? What is the range of the function? Can you say the domain and range by graph? What is the domain? See on x-axis. Here, each function is defined for all the values. Each function is defined here. Observe properly. Set of all real numbers. Okay, but here for pi by 2 function is not defined. For 3 pi by 2 function is not defined. Minus pi by 2 function is not defined. Similarly, minus 3 pi by 2 function is not defined. So, we cannot take that as domain. Athava, illi nodi, tan x can be defined as sin x by cos x. Function is not defined only when denominator is 0. When denominator is 0, we have that formula cos x is 0 only when x is equal to 2n plus 1 pi by 2 where n belongs to z. So, set of all real numbers ಇಂದ ಈ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂವನ್ನು ಮೈನಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದರೆ ಅಂದರೆ ಈ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂಗೆ ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ ಈಸ್ ನಾಟ್ ಡಿಫೈನ್ಡ್. ಸೊ ಹಿಯರ್ ವಿ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಡಿಲೀಟ್ ದಿಸ್, ಅಂದರೆ ಇದನ್ನು ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಉಳಿದ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂಗೆ ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ ಈಸ್ ಡಿಫೈನ್ಡ್. ಅಂದರೆ ಈಗ 0ದಿಂದ ಫಾರ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ ಪೈ ಬೈ 4, ಪೈ ಬೈ 3, ಪೈ ಬೈ 6 ವಿ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಟೇಕ್. ಈಗ tan ಪೈ ಬೈ 4 ಇದರ ಮಿಡ್ಲಲ್ಲಿ ಬರ್ತಿದೆ. tan ಪೈ ಬೈ 4 ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಈಸ್ 1 means that is defined. Okay, so for which value function is not defined? Only denominator 0 means odd multiple of pi by 2. So domain of the function is r minus set of all x where x is equal to 2n plus 1 pi by 2 where n belongs to z. Where n belongs to z. This is the domain of the function. What is the range of the function? Range means we have to see y-axis. Y-axis ಅಲ್ಲಿ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಎಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಎಲ್ಲಿವರೆಗೆ ಹೋಗಿದೆ ನೋಡಿ. Here minus infinity to plus infinity, that is same as set of all real numbers. Okay, this is the graph of tan x. Okay, next one we'll study cot x, that is the reverse. Fourth one is cot x, that is the reverse of tan x. Okay, cot x, how can we define cot x? Cos x divided by sin x, correct? Here cot x can be written as cos x by sin x. Let us write the standard values. Zero, pi by 2, pi, 3 pi by 2, 2 pi. For cot 0, what is the value? Cot 0, cos 0 is 1, sin 0 is 0, 1 by 0 is not defined. Okay, cot 0 is not defined. Cot pi by 2, cos pi by 2 is 0, 0 by any value, that is 0. Okay, What is cot pi? Again sin pi is 0. So cos pi minus 1. Minus 1 by 0 is not defined. Then 3 pi by 2. Odd multiple cos is 0. 0 by minus 1 is 0. Sin 2 pi is 0. So 1 by 0 is not defined. We'll draw that graph. Now x and y axis, origin 0. C. On the x axis, let us take radian values: pi by 2, pi, 3 pi by 2, 2 pi. Then for negative side, minus pi by 2, minus pi, minus 3 pi by 2, minus 2 pi. Now y-axis take 1, 2, 3, 4, so on. Minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, so on. Now see for which value function is not defined. Just draw a dotted line for that. For x0 means here only. x0 means y-axis. Okay. For this value function is not defined, put a dotted line. Okay. Here. Okay. Then which value? Pi, correct? For cot pi, function is not defined. Then 2 pi, it is not defined. Then pi by 2 it is defined. For pi not defined. Then 2 pi. Okay, minus 2 pi. Now see 0 to pi by 2 is the first quadrant. For 0 it is not defined, so it may be plus infinity or minus infinity. For pi by 2 value is 0. Okay, for this is the value for cot pi by 2. But in the first quadrant all are positive, so that decreases from infinity to 0. Okay, pi by 2 to pi means second quadrant. Second quadrant ali pi by 2 to pi is the second quadrant. In the second quadrant, see 0 to not defined. Second quadrant cot is negative because in the second quadrant sign, see here all are positive. Here sign is positive, that means cos is negative, so cot is negative, so it goes from 0 to minus infinity. Let's see third quadrant. In the third quadrant, see third quadrant, pi to 3 pi by 2, pi to 3 pi by 2. In the third quadrant tan is positive, that means cot is also positive. Tan is positive, that means cot is also positive. So value goes from For pi it is not defined, positive, so it should be above, so infinity to 3 pi by 2 0. Then 3 pi by 2 2 pi, fourth quadrant ಅಲ್ಲಿ cos is positive, that means sin is negative, so cot is negative, it goes from 0 to minus infinity. Same value repeats in negative value also. Negative value ಅಲ್ಲಿ 0 to pi by 2 ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ವಿ, 0 to minus pi by 2. Okay, negative side means it goes in clockwise direction. 0 ದಿಂದ minus pi by 2 ಗಾದ್ರೆ fourth quadrant ಅಲ್ಲಿ cot is negative, so here it goes from negative to 0 and same repeat up to this side. Second quadrant, that means minus pi by 2 2 pi, minus pi by 2 2 pi. Here third quadrant, tan is positive, so cot is positive, so it repeats like this. Okay, same way repeats here also. This is the graph of cot x. What is the domain now? What is the domain of the function? Or I will write here. What is the domain of the function? What is the range of the function? Can you say the domain of the function? Domain of the function means denominator should not be 0. For which value denominator is 0? Here denominator sin x is 0. Sin x is 0 for integral multiple of pi. 0, pi, 2 pi, 3 pi, so on. So set of all real number minus for 0, pi, 2 pi, minus pi, minus 2 pi. That for that values function is not defined. Then all other values function is defined. So r minus set of all x where x equal to n pi, where n belongs to z. That is the domain of the function. What is the range? On the y-axis we can take here graph, ಯಾವುದಾದ್ರೂ ಒಂದು interval ನೋಡಿದ್ರೆ function can take any value, minus infinity to plus infinity. So range is set of all real numbers. Set of all real numbers. Domain range, very very important. Domain r minus set of all x where x is equal to n pi, ಅಂದರೆ ಸೈನ್ ಯಾವುದಕ್ಕೆ 0 ಆಗ್ತದೆ ಅದನ್ನು ಮೈನಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದರೆ ಆಯ್ತು. ರೇಂಜ್ is set of all real numbers. Then next one, fifth one, secant x, one more cosec x. Okay, secant x can be written as f of x, or we can write it as y secant x. Secant x can be written as 1 by cos x. Let us draw a standard table first. X and y value. If x is 0, we can take standard values, pi by 2, standard angles, pi, 3 pi by 2, 2 pi. Now for x0, here for x0, what is the value of secant 0? cos 0 is 1, correct? 1 by 1 is 1. If x pi by 2, cos pi by 2 not defined, sorry, cos pi by 2 0, 1 by 0 is not defined, cos pi minus 1, 1 by minus 1 is minus 1, so secant pi is minus 1. Secant 3 pi by 2, again this is 0, odd multiple of pi by 2 again, cos is 0, so secant function is not defined. What about 2 pi? Cos 2 pi is 1, 1 by 1 is 1. Let us draw the graph. X and y axis 0, pi by 2, pi, 3 pi by 2, 2 pi, minus pi by 2, minus pi, minus 3 pi by 2, minus 2 pi. For x 0, here we can take real values 1, 2, 3, 4, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, so on. If x is 0, what is the value of y? If x is 0, y value is 1. Now first we will check for which value function is not defined. So pi by 2. For x pi by 2, here function is not defined. Okay. 3 pi by 2 not defined. Minus pi by 2 also. Same value repeats. Negative side. Correct. Now, for x 0, secant x is 1. Then for pi by 2 not defined, 0 to pi by 2 is the first quadrant. In the first quadrant, all are positive, so value should be increases up to infinity. Okay, first quadrant. Then come to second quadrant, pi by 2 to pi. Okay, pi by 2 it is not defined. Pi के value is 2. For pi cos pi, sorry, secant pi minus 1. So for secant pi function is here, pi minus 1. We have to check pi by 2 to pi means second quadrant. In the second quadrant, cos is negative, so value increases from minus infinity to 0. Then pi to 3 pi by 2, third quadrant. In the third quadrant, again cos is negative, so value decreases from minus 1 to 3 pi by 2. Got it, right? 3 pi by 2 function is not defined, so it can be plus infinity or minus infinity. In the third quadrant, secant is negative, so value decreases from minus 1 to minus infinity. Now fourth quadrant, 3 pi by 2, 2 pi. 2 pi value here it is 1. Fourth quadrant cos is positive, so value minus infinity to 1. Then it increases like this. Okay. Let us check in 0 to minus pi by 2. 0 to minus pi by 2 means, see here 0. If it comes like this, 0 to minus pi by 2, fourth quadrant. Fourth quadrant only cos is positive. In the fourth quadrant, cos is positive, so it increases from 0 to infinity. Okay. Then same thing repeats. cos of minus pi, secant minus pi means pi by 2 to minus pi, pi by 2 to minus pi. Here pi by 2 to minus pi means here both sin and cos negative, so minus pi by 2 to pi means it is negative, and minus pi ke value is to here cos of minus pi is minus 1, so like this same value repeats. Positive ge correct agi ಮಾಡಿ negative ge same value repeats. Can you say the domain and range now? What is the domain and range? Domain, see, for which value function is not defined? Minus 3 pi by 2, minus pi by 2, pi by 2, 3 pi by 2, so on. Means odd multiple of pi by 2 are minus set of all x. Andre cos x 0 ಆದರೆ function not defined. ಆ value ಅನ್ನು minus ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. Okay, for which value cos is negative? X where x equal to odd multiple 2n plus 1 pi by 2 where n belongs to z. What is the range? See, all the values minus infinity to minus 1, then again up to minus infinity, ಅಥವಾ infinity to 1, 1 to plus infinity. So throughout the graph you can observe value from in between 1 to minus 1, no value, correct? ಇದರ ಮಿಡ್ಲ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ y value ಯಾವುದೇ value ಇಲ್ಲ. So in the set of second set means in the range set there is no value in between minus 1 to 1, so we have to subtract that r minus open interval minus 1 to 1. This is the range of the function. Both minus 1 and 1 are including in the graph. Okay, minus 1 to plus 1, in between values are not there in the range. Okay, idra middle indu range allilla, so function is not defined at that value. Sorry, function here range is we have to subtract from real numbers r minus 1 to 1. We have one more graph, that is which one? Cosecants. Okay, cosecants. Let us make y is equal to cosecants. Cosec x can be written as cosec x can be written as 1 by sin x. Let us write the standard value angles. Standard angle values. Zero, pi by 2, pi, 3 pi by 2, 2 pi. What is the value of cosec 0? For cosec 0, here for cosec 0 means if sin 0 it is 0, 1 by 0 means it is not defined. Okay, for pi by 2, sin 90 is 1, 1 by 1 is 1. Sin pi, what is the value of sin pi? Sin pi is sin pi 0, so 1 by 0 is not defined. Okay, then 3 pi by 2 to pi to 3 pi by 2, or just write the value of sin 3 pi by 2. Sin 3 pi by 2 minus 1. 1 by minus 1 is minus 1. Sin 2 pi 0. 1 by 0 means it is not defined. Okay. X and y value 0, pi by 2, pi, 3 pi by 2, 2 pi. Here 1, 2, 3, 4 negative values. Minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, so. Now, for which value function is not defined? 0, see, not defined, put a dotted line. For pi, then 2 pi, correct? Then same here, minus 3 pi by 2, here minus pi and minus 2 pi. See, for sin 0 function, for secant, now we are discussing about cosec. Cosec 0, it is not defined. For cosec pi by 2, it is 1, correct? It is 1. Means in the first quadrant 0 to pi by 2, all functions are positive, so cosec is positive, so it decreases from infinity to 1. Then in the second quadrant, pi by 2 to pi, not defined, so in the second quadrant, sin is positive, so again it increases from here to infinity. Okay? Decrease, ಒಂದು ವೇಳೆ ನೆಗೆಟಿವ್ ಸೈನ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿದ್ರೆ ಡಿಕ್ರೀಸ್ ಆಗಬೇಕಿತ್ತು ಅದು. Now it is positive only, so and not define also, so it goes up to plus infinity. Third quadrant, pi to 3 pi by 2. For 3 pi by 2, what is the value? For 3 pi by 2, it is minus 1. For 3 pi by 2, it is minus 1. In the third quadrant, both sin and cos are negative, so it goes from minus infinity to minus 1. Then fourth quadrant, 3 pi by 2, 2 pi, 3 pi by 2 to 2 pi. Fourth quadrant, sin is negative, so it decreases from minus 1 to, okay, decreases from minus 1 to minus infinity. Now here same thing repeats, 0 to minus pi by 2. 0 to minus pi by 2 means fourth quadrant, sin is negative, so it goes up to minus 1, okay, for minus pi by 2. Okay, then again decreases. Same thing repeats in the negative side. Okay, this is the graph of cosec function. Minus 3 pi by 2 means here it comes 1. See, 0 to minus pi by 2, minus pi by 2 to pi, minus pi to minus 3 pi by 2 means second quadrant. Illiga bartade value. Here sin is positive, so cosec is positive, so minus pi to pi it is positive. Minus 3 pi by 2, 2 pi again comes here. E direction alli bandre, so again here it is positive. This is the graph of cosec function. What is the domain now? Domain and range. What is the domain of the function? See, 0, pi, 2 pi. For integral value, function is not defined. So r minus L sin 0, that value we have to subtract. X minus set of all x, r minus set of all x, where x is equal to n pi, where n belongs to z. Range. What is the range? Again you can observe plus 1 to minus 1. In between here, no value, correct? In between minus 1 to 1, there is no y value. Means set of all elements in the second set. Okay? Here, no value. That means all other values are there in the graph. So we have to, from the set of all real numbers, we have to subtract this value. That means set of all real number minus 1 to 1 open interval. This is the range of cosec function. Okay? Domain and range of every function, that is important. This is about the graph of trigonometric functions. Okay? In the next class we will do some problems on trigonometric functions. Thank you.